going on a holiday or on a business trip, but most of us men are either too tired or too lazy to pack a bag. Today I'm going to show you how to pack a bag for a short trip. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. So gentlemen, when it comes to packing, most of us men just stuff in our bags somehow with clothes and shoes and go away. This way, we are not just underutilizing our bag's capacity, but also ruining and wrinkling our clothes. So just imagine landing in a boardroom with a wrinkled suit and a shirt. It's very unsightly appearance. Hence, it is imperative for every man to learn how to pack. So before we go ahead, I would like to tell you that this particular edition of the Classic Dandy of packing a bag is for a shorter trip. Very soon in the near future, I will come up with a video of packing a whole suitcase. So do make sure that you watch this video till the end to cover up the entire process. Do leave me in comments what you feel about it.
So to start off with, here I have a beautiful vegan leather bag by Duccini. It is large enough for a short trip. Nice round handles and a strap to keep things secured. Gentlemen, to start off with, we would start with our shoes. These are leather brogues in brown by Clark's. And to keep the shoe shape intact, we would insert our socks, which would act like a shoe tree. If you're also carrying a tie, you can use your tie as well. Roll it nicely and put it inside. This will help the shoe not to get damaged and to retain its shape as well. Shoe goes first, and to level up the surface, you can also use your undergarments. For a short day trip, I would want to carry a white and an ice blue Oxford button-down shirt. These shirts will go inside over the shoes and the undergarments. If you're carrying a pair of chinos or jeans, make sure that you fold them into quarter and put it inside. You can also roll it if you want. And here is the tricky part, folding a blazer. I'll make it easy for you. Let's put our pocket square first. And now you need to pop one of the shoulder inside out and take the other shoulder and fold it back into the nook created by the shoulder. The inside of the jacket should be facing outward, just like this. Now you can either roll or fold your blazer and easily put it inside. And then comes your dop kit or your toiletry bag. This is a nice leather dop kit. I'm going to cover a video on a dop kit later. This dop kit goes inside. And gentlemen, if the weather is a little chilly, you can carry a heather grey sweater, an absolute staple. The sweater goes inside and you're good to go.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do make sure that you give me a big thumbs up. Also, the Classic Dandy is present on every major social networking platform. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter and on Pinterest. Also, do check out my Instagram reels on the Classic Dandy every single week. The Classic Dandy is an endeavor to make men's fashion more accessible and practical. So do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.